Alright, hello. Back to doing leetcode problems. I'm thinking I should make a thumbnail. uh, just maybe like a really quick one. Let me see, do I have Canva up here? Yeah. I'm gonna make a thumbnail because I keep making these videos. I think having... Yeah, I got Canva. Personal. Maybe later. No. Yeah, so I want to make probably, is there a thumbnail option here? Thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. There you go. I can go here. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this. Oh, actually, is there a dark mode? There you go. Gonna take this. Boom. Maybe I can download this picture. Open link. No. Maybe I can look at this SVG. Is that nope? That is not helpful. Leetcode logo download. There we go. Save images. Okay, thank you. And now, watch this. Boom. And let's make the background. I want to make it this dark color. What's a common color leetcode color theme? Like, this is too dark. What's this dark? Oh, I can do this. I learned this trick. You take a screenshot, paste it here, and then for this background, I can just say, can I get this color picker, please? There we go. Boom, leetcode colored. Okay, get that in the center and be like, and I want to make like a text string. So let's go to leetcode. Let's do one of these, and this is where I get creative. I'm gonna take this. All right, watch. Boom. Do all leetcodes. Do all leetcode easies. Easies. Yeah. Wow. Do all problems. Avoid. Wow. 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 Problems unfinished. Wow. What can I say? Wow. Good enough. And then we take a picture of this. Can I get rid of the cursor really quick so it's not highlighted? Okay. Oh. Boom. Okay, now the background's a different color, so we gotta do this. There we go. Why is there no middle on this logo? It's so weird. All right. And then text. What font does leetcode use? Monaco. So boom. I complete all leetcode easies. All leetcode. Well, what do I title the stream? I fin it. What do I call? I finish all Monaco. What font? Okay, what font is this though? Font family? Hello, font family. Oh. Oh. Typo round. Oh. Okay. Is that real font? Alright. Font family. I think I'm getting it like this. What font is leetcode? Source Code Pro. Sure, we'll go with the AI generated answer. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Source Code Pro. Source Sans Pro. What? Why is that pasting? No, just Source Serif Pro. Source Sans Pro. I guess Source Sans Pro is gonna have to do. And then we're gonna go 60. Maybe we'll move the font up here. And move the code up here. There we go. And then we'll put this here. Put this here. Make this centered. Number. And I'll put the number every time. What number are we at? Number 7. Alright. I think that's it. Oh, what if I make this like it's in the console? That would be kind of cool, right? Test result. How possible is this going to be? Maybe if it was in Python. No, that doesn't look good. Alright. Alright, I think this is fine. Yeah. Better than what I've been doing so far, which is absolutely nothing. Alright, download it up. Get me that PNG. Alright, let me how do I change the thumbnail? Thumbnail, live, details, upload thumbnail. Ooh, I'm really upgrading now. We're going crazy. Wait, shouldn't it be while problems, not while not problems? It should be wow problem. Wait, don't, no, don't. Don't save the thumbnail. It's not right. Okay, oh my bad. Okay, I'll replace the image. Alright. I kind of like how problems is highlighted. I'm gonna keep that. All right, man. Just like coding, I just gotta redo. Let's change this thumbnail. Okay. All right. Okay. There we are. Our golf thumbnail. How long did I spend? Hey Kuro. I mean, hey Xanax fan page. I'm designing my leetcode logo right now. Alright. Let's do some problems. I'm gonna go to 11 and I must sleep. So maybe just an hour 30. But hopefully I can, maybe I can do a little bit. I got some new music. That sounds pretty good. I've been drinking barley tea. It's pretty good. Alright, anyways, easy. Oh yeah, you're right. Now that I have Ethernet, I can start on Twitch. I can dual stream. Let's see, does my KBS go down? Kira, I was getting, when I had, I was doing wireless and I had like 50% drop frames to 90% drop frames when I stream on Twitch and YouTube. That's so over. But now I think it's fine. I have like 1000 megabit per second download. Okay, I did all this. I'm not doing that yet. Okay, I can try to complete page 2. I'll complete it. Wait, how many am I at? Let's see. We're at 63. We're gonna go to 70. Yeah, wireless is pretty ass. I thought it'd be good because it's like 5G, but then like once I start streaming, it wasn't good enough. It was good enough before. I forgot I was doing this question. Okay. Give an integer n, return array ants of length n plus 1 for that each I. Sorry. There's yeah. So I've done 61 and there's 835. So I'm almost done. No, I'm not paying for premium. Maybe I'll pay at the end and then finish all the premium. I'm just doing all the easy ones. Oh, you have a yearly leetcode. How are we gonna share? How does that work? Why are you using my profile? I need to keep track. I'm sure you did some and stuff. Anyways, this was like, well, this is number 7. So I did 10 per session. So I'm gonna have to stream 83 times until I'm done, pretty much. Yeah, that's quite a bit, huh? Not even, because I had 15 done at first. Alright. Anyways, I'm trying to think of how to do this question right now. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 0, 1, 1. Oh, is that how that works? It's okay. I don't really need premium right now. I guess like except running. Is there a function that can count how many ones in count binary? I don't think so. Up to you. No, I'm chill. I'm good. Maybe I count. Once you turn C++ into binary. I can just do bit set 8, bitwise operator. These are both take more time though, because I need to convert it and then count the amount of ones and then add it to the array. That's why I don't want to do that. N is 2, get output 3, 0, 1, 2. Yeah, that's fine. Do I see a pattern? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. It always has the previous 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2. This always has a previous. This is the previous, and then plus the same as before, then the same. All right, this is the previous 1, 2. And then we take these two. Okay, so for example, this was the previous. Then we have to add 2 extra ones because we're on number 2. Or sorry, number 3. Yeah, under 7. So 3 bits. So 2 to the power 3. So every time we increase by 1, it goes up by. This is the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4. Okay, cool. So this is 1, 2, 2, 3. So this is previously repeated. So every single time we go up by 2, you repeat 2, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the pattern for the new ones is all of these increased by 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, and then repeat. All right, cool. So I found the pattern. The first differences. Okay, so let me write this down really quick. Copy from prev num every 2 to the power of x. Are you doing this for fun, or are you gonna play it? Nah, I don't really want to do software jobs. It's just for fun. I don't really care too much about getting a job. I'm just having fun with it. So. Dupe for next. After dupe for next, increase what plus 1 from prev index. So we're gonna do, it's always 0 if n is 0. So we always start with 0. Then we repeat twice, for example. But if n is a power of 2, how do we... so if n is a power of 2, so alright, I need a bool is power of 2 in n. How to know if number is a power of 2? Probably log 2. Ceil log 2 is equal to floor log 2. That makes sense. Alright. Return true. Return false. I guess you can just return that. Yeah, that makes sense. Return. Okay. So if it's a power of 2, I actually want to start repeating, right? Yeah, so if n is 1, sorry, we have to do I. We already pushed back 0, so that's always included. We gotta start at 1. So if, well, what's log 2 of 1 should be 0, right? So if is power of 2 for I, we're gonna have 1 first. So is 1 a power of 2? Yes. So we're gonna do int prev bits. We're gonna store it. Prev power of 2. Sorry, we're gonna clear the storage. Prev bits dot clear. Otherwise, we're prev bits dot push back I. Okay, cool. So now we have 1 in there, and then bit num is always going to be pushed back afterwards. Okay. Bit num dot push back I. So 1 is a power of 2. Okay. Then I gets to become 2. Maybe I don't clear this, but I treat it like a queue. So I push back, push back, push back, then I can take from the front. And if there's none, then I will take from prev bits the previous one. Okay. I also need a counter. Multiplication counter, which keeps track of how many 2 to the power of x's I'm on. Okay, so again, the pattern is copy from previous nums every 2 to the x. So every to the x, copy previous nums. What I actually want to do is copy previous nums until 2tx, then dupe for the next, then dupe for next even more, but +1 from previous indexes. Okay, so 0's in. I push back 1 from here. And we're just gonna ignore 1 because it's a special case. But 2 to the 1, 2 is the power of 1, right? So 2, I'm gonna push back. Pre bits at 0. So now I'm copying, and then how to remove from front of vector C++. It's like pop. Dot erase. Okay, yeah. I mean, I guess I could use a Q. Do I want to use a Q? Yeah, I guess I do want to use a Q. Q C++. Access that. Push. And then how do I access? How do I? Dot front. And then I'm going to do pre-bits dot. Not going to pop it yet, so what I'm going to do is pop it. Or look at the front. Right? So now I have 1 here. Now it's 3. Now it's 2. So I'm pushing. Oh, I also push back 1. And I use that copy. Pre-bits. So push back pre-bits dot front. So I do put it in the queue at the front. 0, 1. 0 is not pre-included, sorry. So 1. Then it's a power of 2. So I push 1 to 2. Sorry, this isn't even pushed in yet. I need to push that in. Push that in. Also push that to my pre-bits queue. Okay, so that's in now. Then I have 1 more. I push back because it's a power of 2. I push back into pre-bits dot front. And then do I want to remove the storage? Yeah, I do. Pre-bits dot pop. So now I remove the storage. So now it's nothing. But we have that now. 0, 0, 1. But then we have this one. That's iterator. So I have 1 here. I need this to last for 2 rounds. 0, 2. So 0, 2. Maybe I should just have a counter that's counting every single 2. Yeah. Because otherwise I don't really see how this is gonna work. So I start off at 1, right? So this is increment by 1, increment till 2 till the next 4. So I copy for 2. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna reset that. I don't know if I need that anymore. New logic. So I'm just gonna go 1, 2. So if counter is less than multiplication counter, then I'm going to do counter plus plus. Else multiplication counter times equals 2. So then this will go every single 2. So on counter plus plus, I'm going to store in my bit num. I'm going to store in my previous bits. Previous bits push. So I'm going to store. So the first one is true. So let's have a counter at 0, multiplication num at 1, and then I have my pre-bits. Right now it's storing 1. So let's say this stores, and this adds by 1. Okay. Pre-bits is 1. Yeah, I need to push this here. I guess always. And then my bit list is 0, 0, 1 right now. Okay. This is false. Multiplication times equal 2. 2. We're gonna add the front up here. 1. This is false. Or this is true. Counter goes up by 1. Multiplication is now equal to 2. And pre-bits now equals 1, 1. I guess we have to pop 2. 2, 3, save. If I start at 1, I'm gonna be wrong. I need to start at 2, and this needs to be 2. Okay, I'm gonna deal with adding the 1 later. That's okay though, for now. So I'm starting at 2, in at 2, counter at 0, pre-bits is nothing. No, I need this, I need to save this one. Okay, alright, starting at 1 again. I need to save this one, so pre-bits, I need it to equal 1. Right? Then once I increase to 2, so 1, 1. Once I increase it, counter, this is false. Multiplication counter goes up by 2. We're gonna clear pre-bits. But first, we have to say bit num to have pre-bits. And then we clear pre-bits. Okay, and then this goes on 2. This counter goes on 2. Clear. Okay, I need this like state machine or something. So first I save, then I run or add, then I add +1. I guess dupe is a better one. Okay. Then at the same stage as this, I clear. Right? For all dupes, save. Then I need to do... So I guess I'm always saving. Save. Save, dupe, dupe. Clear. This 2 is 2 here. Save. Save. I don't know if I can do this in 1D. Ah, this one's really hard. Okay, I'm gonna come back to that one. That's good. I'm gonna be stuck on that one for a while. I'm gonna think about it in the background. Okay, power 4. I just did this. So log 4. Is there log 4? If not, then I will do the log 3. Log 3. Return seal log A to base B of base of n to base 4 what is this equal to floor oh. Alright, looks good to me. Okay. If n is less than 0, return false. It can't be a power of 4 if it's less than 0 because it doesn't go past there. Equal. Submit. Okay, there we go. I should have included that from the beginning. 3, 4, 2, power of 4. Give me that power of 5 question though. That's real. In place. Yeah, to be honest, I would just swap this one and this one. Is there a swap? I think there is. Alright, we're gonna do swap s at 0, s at size, s dot size minus I minus 1. That should work. H and O should be swapped. H and O. How'd that happen? Had I? Oh, okay. Alright, there you go. If swap didn't work, we could just write our own swap function very easily. We just need one temp variable. Okay. See, these are the questions I like. Very simple, very easy. This is what I'm expecting. Shit. Reverse vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O. Only all the vowels in the string. Reverse of the vowels. Okay. Yeah, sure. You can do for in I equals 0, I less than s dot si length I plus plus, and then if it's a vowel, right? We can do s at 0, how to lowercase characters c plus plus to lower. I think it's like that. At I is equal to a or e or I or o or u. Then swap then vowel count plus plus char first vowel char int second vowel index. If vowel count is equal to 0, we're going to do this at the end. Then we're going to do first vowel index is equal to I. Else if vowel count is equal to oh, that doesn't make sense though, because we need to reverse it, right? So E is reverse, I is reversed with A. So technically we need to come from the back and the front. I'm not typing that all. Alright, cool. So back index, front index. So then if this happens, then vowel count plus plus first vowel index is equal to you know what? That's not gonna work. We're gonna store all the values first. I shouldn't have deleted all of that. Wait, Control Shift V, Control Window Windows V. There you go. Swap s at I s at s dot length -1 minus I. S at my vowels at I. I think that should work. I swapped I and M. And I didn't swap E to A. What? I think I messed up here. I think this goes into here. There we go. Big money. We win these. 30, 45. Okay. Alright. Guess can't do that one. Intersection. Each element must be unique. Hash map? Hash map time? Hash map in hash map? Then you can check if the keys of each hash map are equal. Sorry, my bad. Okay, yeah, it's different lengths. I think we just get all the unique keys. And we store them in maps and then compare the keys. Contains yeah, and then get the keys. Okay. gonna get the keys out of the first set. Insert nums1 at I. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the second one. Nums2 second set. And we do for in I equals 0. I don't know, it doesn't really matter which one, but I guess if nums set C++ dot size. The first set dot size is less than second set dot. So we want to go the one that has the most things. So int my total size is equal to my total size is equal to first. And we're gonna go through every key. How to go through every key in set C++. Iterator for iterator equal s dot begin. Sure. Yeah, iterators are good. I don't think I used them that much though. What just happened? I think I pressed. Huh? Oh. Okay, sure. I guess the iterator plus plus. I guess iterator plus plus like iterates the iterator. Yeah, I guess. But I kind of want to be able to do it in length instead of doing that. I guess I can't. I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. So my first set up again. Why not? If second set dot contains iterator return vector int intersection dot pushback iterator value, and then we will return intersection vector. So if the second vector contains or second set contains everything in the first set, we will add to the vector, return the intersection. Bruh. Iterator. Iterator. Reverse iterator. Can I just write auto like they did? Auto of sorry. No, we don't have that because we have auto. Alright, looks good to me. Let's see. Looks good to leetcode too. Nice. Easy taught you well. I didn't paste my reverse. Alright. This one is 3049. Oh, another one. Wait, what? I'm confused. How's this different from the... How is this different? Return an array of their intersection. This is the same question. Run. Does this still work? Enter. Oh, I see what they did. They renamed it to intersect instead of intersection. Oh, really changed up the question here. Oh, but if it contains it, then you can push it back still. Oh, as many times. Oh, I see. So there's two twos, then it still works. All right, unordered map. This one too. And then insert nums as well as the number 1. And we want the second to equal second. So insertion true. Else, if it's false, then we are going to do first set at nums at I plus equal 1. There we go. And here we're going to do the same thing, except with the second set. Boop, boop. If the first set contains iterator, push for int I equals 0, I less than second set dot at iterator dot, yeah, the value there, I plus plus, then we would add to the iterator that many times. Alright, new code. Nums 1, nums 2. Second set that contains. Is it like dot check? Dot key is not present. Yeah. Okay. What? Oh, I need an unordered map. Unordered map. It returns the end iterator. Find. What do you mean? This is for unordered map. Find. Dot find. Second set is an unordered map. Why is there no find? Why is it not finding? Oh, okay. This is an int. And I'm doing an iterator of first set, but it's no longer iterable. So I need to do every key in unordered map C++. Dot first. Dot first. Dot first. It's erroring right up there. It's because I'm not inserting the right thing. It's the least number. If first set at iterate to the first is less than second set iterate. We're doing this till first set. Can't I just do iterator dot second? Yeah, that makes sense. Else if well, there's only one other possibility. If they're equal, doesn't matter. Else, do the second. Alright. There we go. Let's see. Give me the money. Nice. It's slow, but it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to solve it. What are other solutions like tree map? Two pointers. Yeah, I want to do the 2 pointers, but I still don't know how to do that. Alright, anyways, 350 intersection 2 of 2 arrays. Alright, how many did I do? 63. We're at 68 now, and a 5. Nice. Let's keep going. It's still not 11. As the square of the integer is the product of some integer of itself. This is not just this. I should probably do if negative. Is 0 perfect square? I guess so. Zeros times 0, 0 after all. What? Why are you upling false? 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. 1, 2. Alright, can't represent with long, do long. Long, num equal I times I. Yay, we beat 5.4%. Well, I don't know. It's good enough for me. What if I wanted it to be a very slow binary? Oh, binary search. That's smart. I'm gonna note this. 367. You can also use binary search. Alright. Guess number higher, lower. Pick. You have to guess which number I picked. Every time you guess one, I will tell you the number I picked is higher or lower than your guess. Or I can just do this. Checkmate. This is how I get the big marks. Darn it. Darn it. There we go. Now I got the big marks. Darn it. Return I, n is equal to 10. Return I. Oh, I can only return once. Okay, okay. If guess I equals okay, maybe I should read the question next time. What? How is that possible? I didn't know it could be inclusive. Okay. What? Yo, wait, how did I did I beat? Alright, well. Yeah, could I do binary search? Yes. But do I need to? Guess number higher or lower? No, I do not. If I did do binary search, I would just do a while loop, while guess does not equal 0. If guess is -1, double the number. If not, then divide the number. But I've done that so many times. Whatever. Given two strings ransom note and magazine, return true if ransom can be constructed by using the letters from magazine and otherwise false. Huh? So, oh, so I could like cut it out of the magazine. Okay. I want to give ransom note a hash value. Which one was the one that I did a hash value on? Character 65? I did one where I did the hash. Hash number. Non-unique, non-unique. Okay, I don't remember. probably involved a string though. Summary ranges to string. Oh, and to anagram my hash. Okay. Wait, how does that even help me? This doesn't help me at all. I can't even use this. I don't know what my plan was. Okay, let's do a naive approach first. So we can do for you can check if the letters match. If magazine at J is equal to ransom note at I, if magazine dot compare to return true, else return false. And we're going to do magazine dot remove at J ransom note dot remove I. Does that work? Erase. How is that possible? Erase. Okay, we erase once and then J is equal to magazine. I minus plus, I guess. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. Does that work? Why doesn't it work? STCL. Ransom note. Alright. A. You have to do J minus minus 2. A. I should say A again. A. Okay, we erase it. Then we minus by 1. But then the length is just 1 now. It only prints once. There's something going wrong here. It thinks the length is 0. Here it's 2, and then goes to 0. Well, that's not right. Okay. You know what? I don't know. I don't know why that's not working. I don't think that's right anyways. You know what? I'm skipping. Unique character. Yeah, maybe I'm cooked. I think my brain needs a break. Use random shuffling string of S and then add one more letter at the random position. Yeah, all these are like 1D questions that I don't know how to do yet. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna end soon, but first I'm gonna how to solve 1D array questions, leetcode, C++ tutorial. First I'm gonna watch this video. Okay. Thank you, Fiverr. Okay. Here, let me turn on the volume. You can watch with me. Ooh.
Right? And then you have to initialize the array so that all the array elements are 0.
Declare an array of 15 integers. Initialize array of all array elements are equal 0.
Right? Then you have to
Wait, I don't see how this is helpful. Can I, this one? This one good? Wait, I can't. Wait.
बेसिक क्वेश्चन कुछ मीडियम क्वेश्चन कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले ठीक है एसक्यूएल आपने पढ़ लिया तो अब अगर मैं वेक्टर यूज करूं तो आपको बिल्कुल चिंता नहीं होनी चाहिए ठीक है लास्ट वीडियो में
Is he speaking English? I can't tell.
और बस शुरू करते हैं
No, I don't think so.
तो वार्म अप के लिए सबसे पहले
Okay.
ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिया
I don't need to know. I don't need no async to know.
और एंड जे पीछे
So I have pointer swap
तो स्टार्ट और एंड जो है वो इक्वल
reversed. Yeah, I can do that.
मर्ज करके इस तीसरे एरे में बना दो
Merge.
जाके बोला कि एक और क्लास बनाता हूं यार
No, this one's not helpful. Basic to advanced array questions with techniques. Basic level, find the maximum iteration to the array, yeah. Two-pointer or array swapping, check reverse or iteration to the array. Two-pointer approach. Transpose and cyclic sort. Two-pointer approach. Algorithm to merge two sort arrays. Merge sort. Hashing or two-pointer approach. This is really helpful. Sliding window. Binary search. Reverse. Prefix on binary search. Sorting. Sliding window. Okay, so I should just research sliding window. Sliding window. See, like these ones aren't. Cyclic. Like which one's first unique character in array? Unique. What's cyclic sort? Cyclic sort. Okay. I'm gonna learn sliding window, cyclic sort. And two-pointer approach. Two-pointer approach. Where's the tortoise in the hair? Floyd's. Oh, okay, I see. I see. That one's a bit easier. All right, good enough. I'm taking a break. I think we've done enough. I think we're at 70 now. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I think I'll have more time. So I'm gonna go for 80 tomorrow. 80. And then almost 100. That's pretty good. Well, I'll just keep doing this until we're done. I guess I'll be done almost in a while. It's gonna take a while, but all you gotta do is keep at it, huh? Alright, bye.